Welcome to Economics is Life. I am Pulkit Sharma and today's topic is macroeconomics, whether resources are fully utilized. Now the pertinent question is which of the above problems are studied by what is now called macroeconomics? Despite the fact that not enough resources are available to satisfy all human wants in a free market economic system, it so happens that they are not fully utilized. So, resources are not enough for all human wants, but still they are not fully utilized. This is opposite to the views of the classicals and the neoclassicals who believed in the existence of full employment of resources. An English economist challenged this viewpoint during 1930s, during which a severe depression overtook the capitalist economies. At this time, a strange phenomenon of a large number of workers, that is human resources, were rendered unemployed, and a good deal of the factories and capital equipment installed in them remained idle or underutilized. Keynes, in his well-known work General Theory of Interest, Money and Unemployment, explained that despite the scarcity of resources, the unemployment may be caused due to the lack of effective demand. Right, you heard it right. Even in the presence of scarcity of resources, unemployment can be caused, and the reason is lack of effective demand. Thus, the level at which employment of labor and non-human resources will be used, and hence the level of national income will be determined, depends on effective demand. Macroeconomics is concerned with explaining how the employment of resources and hence the level of national income is determined and what causes fluctuations and growth in them.